Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel Learn with Your Buddy, and today I'm here with another project of our C programming series where we are going to make a project named Attendance Management System. Now, same to the previous have made about student management system, and also I have uploaded this project on my GitHub, and I'll give you guys the link in the description box so that you guys can get the code, this project from there. But before taking the code from there, I would like you guys to understand the code, that which line we used for what reason. I have already written the code here. Now I will explain that to you guys. Here I have already written the code so that it saves our time. Also, it is similar to the project we made before. So yeah, let's start now. Here we have written the header files, and we know include stdio h is used for input output functions like printf and scanf, and the string h is used for string operations. Now here, this struct student, this creates a blueprint for storing the informations. Here the character name 50 means it will store up to 50 characters. And the void main, void lines, these lines are for the function declaration. And now integer main is the main function where the program actually starts. And here the integer choice is a variable to store the menu choice. Also here we have written while, and it is an infinite loop that program keeps running until the user chooses exit, the option 4. And then the printf line, this shows the main menu takes user input from 1 to 4. And then the switch statements, these are based on user input. It calls the correct function, return 0 in case the user exits the program. Then the void add student, well, it opens file in append mode and adds new students to the end of the file. And also it creates file if it doesn't exist. And if p equals to null, if file cannot open, it shows error and exits function. And then the struct student is, it creates a structure variable s to store student information. And then the line printf enter roll, well, this takes roll number from the user. And then printf name, and this takes name without any space. And then here the is dot total classes, well, it is used when adding a new student and total classes is 0. If the present is 0, that means the attendance will start from 0. Then if if print, it saves data as text. And then the line printf students added successfully, well, classes file show the success message like this. And then the void, here it will show a message like this, that student added successfully. So yeah, that's all. Now the void mark attendance, this opens the main file for reading, also a temporary file for writing updated data. Here the R for reading and W for writing. And if p equals to null, that means error if no file exists. If I enter a choice that doesn't exist in our file, this will show this error message. So let me just cut this. Yeah, now okay, where was I? Well, yeah, I guess I was in line 76. Yeah, here struct student. Okay, this is a structure to store its records checks if the roll number exists. Then it prints the user input roll, the roll we will input in our output. Now this while this reads is student from file, and the loop continues until the end of the file, and it reads 4 items: roll, name, total classes, and present. If the roll number matches, it updates the attendance, and the age dot total is total classes. Well, every marking increases total classes by 1, and here the character status. Yeah, it asks a user if a student was present today, and if status is y, if yes, it increases present count. And then the print if a plus plus, the attendance updated thing, it only modifies the matching student record. And then the fb print, it writes updated student info in the temp file. All right, and if close, it closes both files, and if not found, then it will show error. Now I'd like to show you guys something, that we have a text file here, it created from our code. Okay, I'll show it to you guys at the end of our code, after I run this code. Now let's get back to our code here. Yeah, here the remove text, this replaces old file with updated files, and here the view report file, here it is, it also opens a file for reading the way it did before. And if fp equals null, well, if file is missing, it will show this message. Then the struct student, well, it is structured to read each student printing the report. And then the line attendance report, well, it is a header fault table. And then again, while this also reads each file until the end of file, and the float percentage, this avoids the division by 0 and calculates attendance in percent. And then it displays roll, name, present, and percentage. And if close, it closes the file. So yeah, that's all. I hope you have understood the code. If you face any problem while doing this code, or you feel that you are not able to understand anything in this code, please try to comment, and I will try to solve them. Now let's just run our code. Yeah, here we will enter our choice, enter roll, choice 1. Okay, 11, name, as usual Sajid, my brother. And now yeah, student added successfully. And also sorry, okay, now enter and name, it will be offshore, yeah, my best friend. So yeah, 2 student added successfully. Now I will mark the attendance. I will enter my choice 2. I'll enter the roll to mark attendance, well, 11. If yes, I will, and now for another one, I will click no, N. Here, okay. So now the attendance updated, and now I will view the attendance report. Here I can see the attendance report, and now I will just exit from here. Now yeah, that's all our code. Now I will show the text. Yeah, now here you guys can see the updated text. Yeah, here it is 1 1, that means present, 1 0, that means absent, negative. So yeah, that was all for today, and I hope you guys have understood. And please take this code from my GitHub link that I will post on our description box. So yeah, that's all. I will see you guys in the next video where we will do another project on our C programming. So till then, stay safe, take care, keep practicing, and Allah Hafiz.